welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you're new, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are already subscribed, you know I appreciate you coming back to watch this video so much. Today I have an unboxing from Wiskf. They have different bags, like reusable shopping bags. They have aprons. So they reached out to me and asked if I would like to review a couple of their bags, and I said sure. And so we'll look and see what I have ordered. This one I thought was so pretty. My mother, she loves butterflies, so I ordered this bag for her. Oh, I didn't know. It says awesome, amazing. It's got these little hearts over here. Very, very pretty. The colors are gorgeous. It's a nice reusable bag. Pretty thick quality, I think. Of course, you know, these things have like a slight odor to them when they're new. There's that one. Oh, this one I thought was so cute. Look how adorable. She's so cute, and the flowers on here are just adorable. This is great for spring shopping. If you're going to stay all night somewhere, need a little overnight bag. So pretty. You can see that this is stitched in here, so it's not just gonna rip, you know, come out of there when you're carrying your heavier canned foods or, you know, whatever you may be carrying. Love that bag. This bag is so beautiful, so pretty. So let's see how pretty this is. And then this is a zippered bag. And then you have your pocket in here. So if you're just going shopping, you just want to carry your cards in here. I think I probably would have picked a different color than brown inside this bag, but I guess they're going with the chain here and the clock. Once again, this is, you know, stitched in here, so you're not going to have to worry about this pulling apart. Zipper works great. Oh, I just love this bag. It is so pretty, so well made, so cute. I can even slide my laptop down in that bag. And my last bag is this monogrammed bag with the S. Oh, it's so pretty with the flower wreath. Of course, once again, it's hand stitched. The handle is thicker, roped like on this bag. Easily to wipe down. You've got your zipper pocket in here. Not sure. Must be some ink on here. That's probably not. Yeah, a little bit of ink or something right here. But you're not going to be seeing the inside, so great quality zipper. And you've got this little ribbon if you want to leave that hang on there or take it off. Super cute bag. Uh-oh, got a little bit of a thread there. Great for your shopping day, you know, going out shopping, an overnight bag, whatever you need this for. You can see they've got this like this. That still might be a little too long, but I'm going to leave it alone. So super cute. Great quality, I feel like. I mean, are there some imperfections? Yeah, but you know. So I will link all the links down in my description. I don't know if there's a discount code for these. They're already very cheaply priced, but if there is, I will put it on the screen here, and then I will also put it in the comments. And of course, it'll be in the description. So, super cute bags. Love them. I love these bags. Can't wait to give this one to my mom. And I can't wait to use these when I go shopping. Love to shop. All right. Thank you all so much. Whoops. I'm sorry. No, I was shaking you. I'm sorry. Thank you all so much for coming to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time it is you're watching this video. I hope you and your families are having a great time. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.